Chris Bramlage here from C&E Sales. Today we want to talk with you a few moments about a new product in the SiriusAct group of control products from Siemens. It has to do with operator access control. Pretty unique little product, and it operates on these little sticks. Got a little hole in it to put it on your keychain. Each of the sticks contains a unique RFID code. That code is imperative in being able to control the access to machinery by different operators. There's a couple of different flavors of this product. This digital product on this side just has hard I/O associated with the stick insertion and the position and the type of stick based on the access control level for the stick. Pretty simplistic. Where the product really gets its power is over here. This product over here has, instead of just digital I/O, it also has I/O link communication capabilities. We've got an S7-1200 PLC from Siemens over here with an I/O module attached to it. So we're going to read the data from that switch into this. And I've asked Larry Ponziani, one of our application engineers for automation here at C&E Sales, to talk a little bit about it because he put together the HMI program we're going to show you. Larry?
Thanks, Chris. Again, I'm Larry Ponziani, automation specialist with C&E Sales. So what we did with this key switch is we tied it in, wired it in through an I/O link master to a 1200 PLC and then into a Siemens touch panel. So basically what we do with this is that through the I/O link master, the PLC reads the code out of the ID key switch, and that code is unique for each of the key switch. And then we assign a name. It could be any of your operators' names. It's open to whatever person is associated to that key code. So then we allow different access levels based on that operator, what the training level of the operator is, what the physical abilities of that operator might be, what they're allowed to get into, what they're not allowed to get into. So
It's all you.
okay, so this is the operator screen that we developed for this product. Right now you can see we have a space for an operator name, and then the key code would show up behind it, below it I should say. You don't necessarily need to put that into your HMI, but it shows what that unique key code would be for the particular sticks. So what we'll show then below that is that we've got different visibility for buttons based on the access level specific to that operator. So let me plug in the first key code here, key stick I should call it. And you'll see operator Jane. She's got a unique code here. She's got an access level of 3. Particular buttons then appear based on Jane's abilities. It could be a dynamic sort of arrangement where if Jane learns a little bit more about adjacent pieces of machinery, she might get more access levels based on that training. So if we change it over to a different key stick here, you'll see the next operator might have more or less access level. So this operator, you see another unique code, has an access level of 4, and there's more buttons that are now accessed because that operator apparently has more training. So some other ideas that could be done with this is that it could be used for recipe management. You could use it for different recipes based on what that machine is able to do. It could also be used for a maintenance mode or anything that you're needing for your machine. So I hope you like this product.
Thanks, Larry. Hi, I'm Chris Bramlage with C&E Sales, and today we're going to talk with you a little bit about a SiriusAct product that is kind of unique in terms of operator control and just really a wonderful new product for the plant. But before we get to that, I'd like to talk a little about Inagata Devita, baby, Iron Butterfly, and that famous drum solo. Okay, back to SiriusAct now, in all seriousness.